Appalachian sunrise meets my skin.
Hello guys! Day
3. 3? 4?
4 man ata.
No. 4. Yeah, day 4. Sorry, guys. Disoriented na po.
Lamig ka ba? Day
3? Confusing. Isn't it?
dalawa na lang po kami because nag-sister bonding sila.
Yeah,
Tanya
Tanya and her sister.
So kami sa sister bonding.
We're heading inside to the
Agaray.
Starbucks. Agaray!
So guys, wala lang. Na-discover lang din na mo.
We
Wami
just
kabal
found out.
mo.
We just found out nga, na the mall, secret mall dire di ay.
So our hotel location is very accessible sa Tanan Jud.
Like-
sa Tanan.
3 blocks away.
No.
So, we are so very lucky nga naami dire sa Victoria nga nagstay. But there's a downside nga nakuan jud me. We are very disappointed
Yeah.
with their
Ano ito na?
service.
Service.
Okay, we tried to ask them if somebody can fix it up right away. Okay, it's been like 2 days nga we've been suffering that kind of
Smell.
smell. So wala mas lagi buhat. So
You transfer me but they didn't help us.
yeah, ang rating na mo sa 1 out of 10,
0.5.
negative jud, negative 10.
So napalit me og coffee. Mine is sesame latte.
And dark chocolate 70% from Hickory Cafe.
Hickory duck.
Hickory dong. I guess it's a Japanese brand, no?
Yeah, and it's so
Legit. We ran out of words.
Dili matiwas. Lamig siya guys. Oh, Bisaya na lang ha, kaya nabisa naman mi. Hello guys, we are here at Brighton Bathing Houses. Okay. So, nagsugod kami pictorial. Full na tan. So, ayan. And vlog.
So guys, we're currently here in this meeting house in Brighton.
Nasha, okay ra? Okay ra?
So this is just a sneak peek of our little video. I'm just gonna stay here for a while because it's too hot. Ooh, it's too hot.
Ayo to sa iyo, ayo.
Napalandong gani ko no.
Things.
Guys, mao jud niya mong tinuod na situation. Aray! Nagpalandong mi. It's so hot. Pila ka degrees yun? Can I stick this here? Grabe na dyan yung panikamot guys.
Pwede man na, diri win.
Ha?
Diri oh.
Ah, sige.
Golden, golden things.
Okay guys, kana. Oh my gosh, I'm so pretty. Char. Okay.
Golden, I follow only golden, golden, golden things.
Friendship. So yeah, let's go home because it's fucking hot.
Yeah, it is hot.
Guys, init pa Pilipinas guys.
I know.
But you know guys, ang mga tao diri, grabe pagpainit o buwad-buwad. But ang akong rejuve dili pwede diri mo na kailangan na
Well,
manghawa.
Tapos sa dating boxes.
Golden things.
Karon, mangita ta karon.
hunting.
Mayon ko karon kung dax or hala. Kung hala, it means lame. Kung dax, pwede na. Ya, kung rar,
Kaunon na.
laban. Ya, kung di gani makapasar sa akong kuan criteria, ha? Ha. Dapat kabalo na mo ha. Itagan na mo na ako og kuan. Fun facts.
And guys, kabalo ba mo na before it was just a changing room or a toilet and now it's for sale na din siya, guys. Imagine they are selling it to display something or do whatever they want.
It's kind of like a kiosk.
Yeah. Like before, it's purely for picture lang yun siya or kanang toilet or changing.
Okay. In or out. Kurang hitom na ko. Tara. I guess we had enough. Apoy hala, uy. See? Very nice. Hala. That hala. You want?
Coffee.
Let's go. Something cold. Hanap sa kong bungkal panuway.
Guys, we're not sure where we're going, but
Oh, yawa ang langaw sunod-sunod sa ako.
sunod-sunod na miod.
So guys,
Fun fact,
we are now walking toward the bus stop. Kaya since, guys, mahal ang Grab.
malang Grab.
Munang kailangan may mag-walk padulong sa railway so that we can ride a train or a bus going to the
CBD.
CBD. The BCBD. What's the meaning of the
Dapat na
BCBD?
Dapat the B.
DVD. Alamigo, DVD lang ni. Bagong release.
Uy, buwang.
Guys, fun fact. Na siya friend na lang ah.
Wala na.
Nag-away na nako.
Ako nag-away.
Yun, hanto, ugma na unya na po taw-taw dit mo abot na po na siya.
Yawa na siya.
Mabalik na po na siya. I shall return. Ana, iya isulti.
Gusto ng tanang hangin no ano, di gid siya kapalit.
Yo.
Yut, klingi kay siya na siya name.
Na
Ano siya name?
the little one.
Chosen one. Si the chosen one.
The little one is
Wana. Kuan man siya, past tense naman ni mo na friend. The little one.
ngano past tense siya kay patyo man ako siya unya.
He will pass.
So he will be
be
passing
passed.
out.
He will be
Yawa.
passed. Naana po no.
Napong dunggay. Ako kay gilibot-libot kog alirong.
So, si solusyon na iyot na. Tulo naman na siya kaadlaw ni kuyog nato.
I don't think
Ang
so.
solusyon ana yun kay di ka mag-perfume.
Actually, narami gisundan ng mga foreigner kay feeling na mo matupod sila MRT.
But we have given the direction and it is this way as well.
Yala.
We just
Pero
gave,
ingon siya kay 5 minutes walk ra daw pero ana sa Google is 17 minutes walk.
we just gave them the benefit of the doubt.
Sila pa ang gihatagan nato, no?
The benefit of
Sila
the
pa
doubt.
naman among gihatagan nga kami ray nagbuot-buot ang sunod.
Uy, estasyon naman dahil tayo.
Oo. Ano, Leandro Day.
Don't say bad words.
True. True lalo. Dili na lang ko, Bek.
Nasta niya pag igukod ba sila nga, oh.
Na siya, Be. Mga friends na.
Pero pa sunod.
Mga friends na ako, Be.
Actually, ako, altar ko kaka-friendship. Sunod ka. Kagets naman ka!
Attack mga little ponies.
Hello, minions! Attack!
Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming.
Hello guys, we're here sa Melbourne Skydeck. And I'm having a headache.
Ano yan?
So ito po sila ngayon.
Mount Laurel high fives for miles in spring. Rainbow trout and hummingbird wing. Golden, I follow only golden. Golden, golden things. Gold hair. Gold.
The Melbourne Skydeck.
Ana.
And we're here
Paano
sa
dire?
Evan Walker Bridge to take a
Paano
video.
dito?
Oh, no, not video. To take a photo. So, ayan po guys. Meow, 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 meow na po ako because
Nice friend.
my head is
Ikaw, ganun
aching.
mo muna, I like it.
Mm-mm.